streets. How y'all babies doing today? So this is gonna be a video helping you get ready for Carnival, because I know a lot of you have been commenting and saying, oh, you jumping Carnival, da 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 da. And last year I had done a video telling you all that you need to know before you jump Carnival and what you need to do. And one of those things was to exercise. One, so you could get the body that you want in your costume, but two, so you could have stamina to endure all of the road. You understand me? So today I have teamed up with my trainer, because yes, I've started working on skin. I've teamed up with my trainer to give you guys a quick workout that you can do to help you get ready for Carnival. So let's go. Guys, so I am going to introduce you to my trainer, which is this guy. He's behaving really shy, and I don't know his who trouble him.
My name is Basic Taroli, but everybody calls me Ace. Today we're going to do a full body program.
I'm gonna come out to the shot. I feel like I'm being real enough. So today, full body program. Go, go, go.
Alright, a full body program mostly centered around high intensity workout and also hypertrophy. Right? The reason why we target high intensity first is because we want to get the cardio out of the way, and then we'll start the muscle building. Because according to what I heard, you were supposed to be in a program to build muscle, burn fat in quick
and get
time.
your body ready and hot for Carnival. Right.
So we'll do high intensity workout first for half an hour, and then we'll do muscle building for the next half an hour.
So I want the record to reflect that I tried to make this a really quick program, but according to you know, the expert, he said half an hour would not give us the results that we need, and we out here trying to get results, right? So we're gonna be doing an hour workout, but it'll be worth it, because when your body you'll see. So we're gonna get started.
This workout is predominantly to loosen the hip flexors, to loosen the hamstrings and the quads. We have a lot of lower body workout today, so those areas need to be loosened as much as possible. And stop. So we're doing frontal and reversal lunges.
So we finished the warm-up. I'm not winded, you're winded. Or you will be when you do this workout. So we're gonna start the supersets now, so let's go.
So we're doing switch stance burpees. Basically one leg goes in front, we rotate the hips, and then we'll go back in again. By doing this, you engage the core. Stop.
So we finished the first superset, and yes, I am dripping in sweat. Of course. That's the whole point. So the next workout is what is?
Snowboard and ski.
Snowboard and ski.
To top jump and burpees.
So we're gonna demonstrate that for you now. If you made it halfway through the workout, here's your motivation. You're almost done. And results are on the horizon, my guy.
Good. And just try to get the needle as high as possible.
workout is complete. This guy's smiling because this is the type of person he is. But you've made it to the end of this workout. How often do we need to do this a week?
3 minimum, 4 maximum. And you want to space out the days. So if you do 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, rest Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay, you heard it from the expert, guys. So if you're gonna be doing this workout, let me know in the comments. Of course, if you have any more questions, you can check out Ace on IG. At what?
Hybrid.physique.
Okay, so this page, it'll be here on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this workout and that it will help you to get ready for a road match. So, we ready for the road-ish. We're getting there though, the journey. Alright guys, if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see like more workout videos and stuff like that of my weight loss journey, fitness journey, be sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!